In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload NFTs into OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up your media and metadata so your collection looks polished and consistent. Start by heading to OpenSea and opening Studio from the left-hand sidebar. Studio is where collections are created and managed, so it's the hub for bulk uploads. If you don't have a collection set up yet, choose Create New and follow the prompts to get your collection ready. If you already have one, simply open the collection you want to add items to. Inside your collection, go to the Media and Metadata section. This is where you'll handle your files and the information attached to them. Click Upload to begin. You can either click to select files from your computer or drag and drop them directly onto the page. For a bulk upload, select all the images, videos, or other supported files you want to add at once. A quick tip: keep your files named clearly and consistently so matching names to item titles is faster. Once the files are in place, start by entering the item name for each one. Consistent naming helps collectors browse your set more easily. If you're uploading a series, consider a format like collection name Jalan Marutu and so on, so it's simple to follow and search. Next, set the supply. Use one if you want a unique one-of-one item, or increase the number if you're creating multiple editions of the same asset. This determines how many copies can be minted, so pick carefully to align with your project's rarity plan. Add a clear description to explain the item's story, utility, or inspiration. This is your chance to communicate value and context, so be specific and concise. If you have an external page, such as a project website or a social profile, add it in the optional URL field to give collectors a trusted source for more information. Now define traits. Traits are attributes like background, clothing, or edition type that help filter and sort items across the collection. Keep trait names consistent and use values that are meaningful to your audience. This will make browsing and rarity analysis smoother. When everything looks good, click Mint. Review your items, confirm any prompts in your connected wallet, and allow the process to complete. Depending on your network and settings, fees may apply. After minting, your items will appear in the collection, ready for listing or sharing. That's the full workflow to bulk upload NFTs in OpenSea Studio with clean, consistent metadata.